Vanessa Adams with ABC Oriental Rug and Carpet Cleaning in Ithaca, New York. Second generation owner of this business. We've been here for 54 years doing rug washing, rug repair, and rug identification and appraisals since 1971. This is just to walk you through what a day is for rug washing here at ABC Oriental Rug.
Rugs brought in for cleaning first go through a pre-inspection. To ensure proper treatment, urine spots are identified with a black light. After inspection, rugs are put into the duster, where 90% of the particulate matter is removed. The duster is spun by an electric motor for 30 minutes. Family Secret solutions are prepared and applied to a dry carpet to ensure maximum concentration at contact. Then the carpet is soaked and scrubbed. The rug is then carefully rinsed on both sides. The back side can withstand more pressure than the front. This 100-year-old machine pushes clean water through specialized nozzles. The roller's heights are adjusted using compressed air. After going through the roller, the rug is hung in a climate-controlled room for 24 hours. The next day, a worker lowers the rug and prepares the correct chemical treatments for the fringes. Brown lignin forms in the cotton warp because it dries faster than the wool. The same tool forces water through the fringes and then extracts it with a wet vac. After fringe treatment is completed, the rug dries again for 3 more hours. Now completely dry, the rug is vacuumed on both sides and its pearly white fringes are brushed. The carpet is rolled up and then placed into a bin room, ready for pickup by the customer, just in time for the holidays.